Good day, sports fans. I'm at the range with my Ruger Deerfield Carbine, 44 Remington Magnum, and this one has an 18.5 inch barrel. I believe these date back to the mid-2000s, and Ruger did a run of these for a couple of years, and that was it. And they seem to be quite a collectible nowadays. Very nice rifle. Features a 4-shot detachable rotary magazine. .44 Magnum. And for ammunition, I did have some hand loads. These are Hornady 240 grain. I'm using W296 powder. I don't know if it's the best powder for this. It seems to be finicky in cold temperatures. It's about +8 right now, so I don't think I should have any problems with it. But I just like to see how it groups. Normally I use factory loads, but I think these might print pretty close to factory loads. And to check muzzle velocity. So I'll just stick around to the chronograph first, and then I'll take 3 shots offhand, see how it goes. I'll just set the camera down over here. Like that. The usual at the range, make sure you have on your safety eyewear and your adequate hearing protection. Okay. Bolt open. Put that back in there. Okay. Let's check the chronograph. See where it printed. (1806) the chronograph at 25. 1830 feet per second at the muzzle. That's pretty close, I think, to the factory loads I'm using in this rifle. Let's check point of impact downrange. Oh, it's shooting to the left and high. I aimed here, so offhand I'm guessing it's gonna be about the same. So let's give it a try. Another snow dump recent days. Not unusual up here in high terrain. I've seen it snow up to 2 feet. Late June, next valley over. Okay, set this down here. Right. Let's try 3 offhand shots. I got a chase brass. I see the round. Here's the brass I just fired. Here's the round. Here's the brass here. Okay. Fired reliably. Let's go check point of impact. Pick up that brass after. Alternate powder, I think, I've had good results with 2400. Align 2400. Okay, so there's a significant difference offhand versus off the bench rest. That's not bad, but give you an idea. Had the bead here. Nice peep sight on that rifle. I sure like it. Could be scoped, but I like to use it just with the iron sights. It's a close range proposition only. So there. This is with my hand loads. It's a near max charge of W296 powder. Seems to work fine today. I don't know if it's that good in low temperatures, but for me it's working currently in these conditions. So there you have it. Ruger Deerfield photo for Magnum. Thanks for watching.